Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Banknifty only. So before we start with the post market analysis, let us see, or I want to show or share with you one thing. So this is my Twitter account with the our Banknifty logo, and I usually post or share the same things on YouTube link as well and TradingView uh, chart as well. So as TradingView has banned me from sharing for at least 1 week or posting my analysis, yesterday I could share only the image. Okay, and it's my kind request that I say, please try to share the analysis what I'm trying or what I'm sharing with you, so that new joiners or your friends, they may get a part of knowledge. At least what I'm trying or what I'm having, 1% of knowledge would be with you, or whatever levels I'm sharing with you, you can get the benefit of those. So how will you share? If you're not familiar with the Twitter, you can see a retweet button over here. Okay, so when you log in into Twitter, first first of all you should be a follower of mine. So to follow me, click on the follow button. Okay, you can type my username and search, click on follow. So when you would be following me, you would be able to see all the tweets posted by me, and using this button retweet, you can share my analysis with your friends as well. Okay, so let us see what did we have yesterday. So yesterday we have seen that market has been trading or taking support of this support trend line. Okay, and as I usual say, when a support or resistance, when the market is taking support or facing resistance of any trend line, then it may give a breakout or breakdown if it takes support more than two times or it faces resistance more than two times. So yesterday I have clearly shown at this particular point, if market breaks this level 37,700, then there is more possibility of 37,500 level to be seen, as we had a pending gap as well. And second thing, if market opens above this particular level 37,800, then we can see another good rally, or good rally up to 38,000. And one more thing, we saw there was a failure breakout of 38,000, which was a round figure resistance level. So there was a more possibility of a breakdown of this particular breakout of this particular level as well. So, and yesterday also I have suggested, so if market comes to this particular point and holds for 5 minutes at least, then there is more possibility of a breakout of this particular level, and you can enter into the trade after breaking of this level. So this was it related to the post market analysis. Let us quickly move on for intraday levels and see what do we have. So let us see the levels very quickly. So at the bottom we can see strong support at 37,000, another strong support at 37,500, and the level which was acting as a resistance, stronger resistance, has become a strong support. Okay, so the principle of, we can say, support and resistance breaking down and converting into each other. So this is what we can see, and at the top we have a strong resistance at 38,500 level. Okay, so now let us see the zones. So if I narrow down the chart, you can see from 23rd August itself, this particular zone 37,400 to 500 is acting as a good support. Now we can even call this as a strong support zone. Market is been bouncing from this particular level. Okay, and another support zone what we can see is this 37,700 to 800, of which 37,700 is another strong level. Okay, and at the top what we can see, we have a good resistance zone between 38,700 to 800, and I have marked a no trade zone between 38,200 to 400. Okay, So keep these things in mind, the zones, and trade accordingly. So let us see quickly how to take the trade based on market opening. So if market opens above 38,400, then we can see market quickly moving to 38,500 levels. If one 5-minute candle closes above this level, then we can see another 200 points rally, okay, very quickly, and it may face resistance of this particular zone. Next, if market opens flat, then do not enter into the trade. Just wait for either of the levels of a breakout or breakdown, and based on the candle formation you take the trade. But if market break down, then do not enter into a buy, because we have a very good support zone and a good and a stronger support level as well. So let it come down, and when it reverses or when you see a reversal candle, at that moment you enter into the trade for buying. So this strategy we call buy on dips. Okay, so this is one thing. And in the worst case, what if we consider there is a bad news by the overnight or tomorrow something, if market opens gap down below this particular level, 38,200 level, then do not enter into the trade immediately. Let it come down to this particular level, and when it start reversing, enter into the trade of buying. Okay. And another thing what I have drawn is market is trading into the channel pattern where exactly it is facing the resistance of upper level and taking the support of lower level of the channel. Okay, so this is one thing. And what I think for tomorrow is, whenever market is having such a very good rally, or if you look at the angle or inclination, it's very sharp. Okay, so when market takes such rally then and breaks one of the round figure level, one of the round figure resistance, then there is a possibility of a sideways market. Okay, so between this particular zone I am thinking that there would be a sideways market if 38,500 is not taken out in first half. What I mean to say, in first half means around till 12, then market can go into a sideways. Otherwise, if market breaks this level 38,500 in first half, then we may see a sideways market at upper level between 38,800 to 38,500. Okay, so this was it regarding intraday levels and analysis for Bank Nifty. I hope guys you like my analysis, and if you are getting benefit from my analysis, please do share it with your friends as I shown it on Twitter. Share the YouTube link, hit the like button, and subscribe to my channel to get the daily analysis. Thank you.